Hello everyone, welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. It's me, Louie Carpuz. We're packed and ready to go, so we're just gonna walk again. Let's go. Thank you for watching. More blessings to all of us. I just want to show how beautiful our Baguio city is, the daily life, the daily travel and commute. Thank you so much. Let's go. More blessings to all of us. Ha? When sige nga Rod, bye-bye. Ha? Ag-eskwela ko na ni Candice. Sige, bye-bye. Okay, city camp na tayo. City camp. We're gonna walk. Let's go. Check out this city engineering office. And that's CDRRMC here in City Camp. Here, ito City Disaster Reduction and Management Council. There, it's a big building. It's an uphill walk again. I could have rode that jeep, but it's better to walk. Okay, City Camp na tayo. Mucho Pan, this is where I buy pandesal and bread. Okay, we're already here. Central Park Restaurant, sizzling plate, good taste. Nandyan na. So, let's go. JNT Express, Albertos, Paladin Hotel. We have some restaurants here. We have some old Filipino jeepney. That's Burnham. This is Rizal Park. So we're passing by here. We're gonna go home there on that tower, Camp Allen. There's also some ukay-ukay here. May vaccine. We are going up the overpass. Baliwag Lechon Manok. So that's Sunshine Grocery. That's where I buy groceries. We are here in Maharlika. Souvenirs. Souvenir shops. Some silver. We're just gonna go there, going to the market. We're gonna buy this. Magkano dito, sir? 20. Dalawa nga, ma'am. Hilain ko na, ma'am. And they're juicy. So, hello everyone, it's me, Louie Carpuz. We're going home. We're gonna go up there. Thank you for watching. Tender juicy hot dog. More blessings to all of us.